Welcome back to LoiLoNote tutorials. This is episode 3 and we are going to see how to make content, teaching material, activity and various quizzes in LoiLoNote. Let's say we will have some one topic as a photosynthesis. If you already have any teaching material saved on your computer, you can easily use them in LoiLoNote. Here's how. We have just seen the file tool, right? I'll just click on the file, browse through my PDF file, whichever I need, and yes, see, it just get added to the note. I can disconnect the file, disconnect any card within it, I can resize it, I can even crop it as given below. I can annotate over it. I can add a text card. I'll just connect this card back. Now this is how you can use your ready content, whatever you have in your system from the LoiLoNote. But suppose if you want to create some content, this is how you are going to create it. I'll just take one text card. This. I'll add one more card here for the heading. I can just easily change the color of the card. I'm also able to change the color of the text. I'll just type photosynthesis as the heading. I can change the font very easily. I can change the orientation of the text as well. I'll just adjust the card and pin it so it doesn't move afterwards. I'll add one more card for my next para. I'm going to just copy and paste for now. Let's say what is photosynthesis. I can bold the text. I can increase the size of the text. And I will pin the text. I'll just add one more card here. So this is how I filled in the required content. Now let's try adding an image to our content. I will add a text box here. We saw here we can import a PDF file, right? Now we can add an image as well. I'll just select the image, and yes, it just came right away in the note. I'll just drag it into the card. I'll just place it and resize it. I can even add a text box. I'll just write over it, bold it, align it, and pin it. And it's done. I can just reconnect the card together. Now I want to use the web card. I want children to research on some website, to explore one website. What I'll do, I'll just go on the web card. I'll click on the web card. I'll type photosynthesis. I'll search for it. Let's browse few of the websites. Yes, this is the nice one. I'll just click on it. Yes, I want students to research this. I'll just click on that web card icon and say create web card, and yes, see, it appeared directly here on the note. I can just connect that card and I can send it to students whenever I want. And they can research, they can double click on it and research on their own. I've connected all the cards and rearranged it. So let's create an activity on this topic. You have seen many thinking tools earlier. So let's choose one of those thinking tools and create an activity using that. Click on the thinking tools icon and here you can see many thinking tools available for use for creating the activities, developing lesson flows and thinking routines. I have chosen the butterfly chart here. I'll just add the text boxes for the question. I'll just resize it and pin it so it doesn't move. I'll add more text cards for the left wing and right wing of the butterfly. Okay, I've pinned it down. Now the question. So the question I have given is they have to identify what helps plants make food. They have to take a photo of the plant in the school surroundings, observe it and explore the internal and external factors helping plants to create food. In the middle of, they will add the picture and in the left wing is the internal factors and in the right wing are the external factors. Okay, so that's it. Our activity is created. Now we will move forward. So we have created teaching content, we have created an activity. So let's move on to the quiz part, to the assessment part. Here you can see the test icon. I'll just click over it and select test. You can see 4 options available: answer together, edit, answer and result. Okay. So I'll just click on edit to edit the test. I'll just type in the title and here you can see we have 4 types of question. The single answer where only one answer is correct, the multiple answer where 2 or 3 options are correct, the short answer where we have 2 types of format, text format and number format. It is good for numericals, and the free answer where the students can write the descriptive answers. So for now I'll select the single answer type. I'll add in all the choices and I'll start typing in the question. I'll add all the options given here. Here you can see an image icon. So here I can add an image in the question. I'll just browse through it, select one file, open, and within seconds one image is uploaded in your test, in your quiz content. Okay. Now I have to select the correct option so that it will be automatically generated, the quiz will be automatically checked. You can see the preview of the quiz down here. So this way I have added in all the questions. You can see how I'm able to insert images and options as well. This test looks really beautiful now. Okay, so this way you have observed there is one more feature as a questionnaire in the test card. I'll just select the questionnaire and say edit. Let's use this questionnaire card for the prior knowledge check purpose. Okay, so before starting the lecture, before the teaching, I'll check the prior knowledge of the student. So let's do it by the questionnaire. In short, I'll tell the difference between questionnaire and test card. In the questionnaire card, you don't have the scoring system, while in the test card, it does. So for the survey purpose and everything, we can use the questionnaire card. Here I have added the question. In the questionnaire card as well, you can add the image. Okay, so just the way we did it in test card, I'll just click over the image icon. I'll select a file, I'll browse through one, I'll select open and say OK. And immediately within seconds that particular image is uploaded. Okay, so the question I have given, you can see in the preview that they have to observe the plant and they have to wonder how it doesn't eat, it doesn't run around. So how does it get the food? Okay. So you can see we have created everything right from prior knowledge, the teaching content, the activity, the test, assessment. So everything is created. Now I have few lesson plan templates available. I'll arrange everything in the lesson plan template. So you can create your own lesson plan template in LoiLoNote, or you can even use this and customize it according to your teaching style. See, it appeared on the screen. I'll just fill in the required things, the grade, subject, unit. The step one, I have decided that I'll go with the initiating the question to discuss. The objective is to check the prior knowledge of the students. The second step is I'm going to explain the concepts. I'm going to check the key concepts of the students. In the third step, I'll be taking the reflect and connect activity. So I'm trying to apply the learned concepts. I'm letting the students to apply the learned concepts, whatever they have learned in the lecture. And in the fourth step, I'll be giving them the assessment or quiz. So I'm going to evaluate their understanding. So these steps can be easily customized, formulated. Okay. So you have total freedom to make your own lesson plan according to your teaching style. We have different templates available. You can just browse through it, explore it. So we have our lesson plan, we have our all the created content. So let's drag and drop into the lesson plan. Okay, one by one. I'll just drag and drop the questionnaire card, all the teaching material. Here I can just put everything like right from PDF, images, video files, the web card we have put. I'll just put the activity and assessment back. And yes, our whole lesson plan is ready to be used. So we have created a wonderful lesson plan which is completely executable. In the next episode, we will see how it can be saved or stored in materials and how you can organize your own content library. So just stay tuned. Thank you.